Let's begin. We'll start by installing Java on our system first. So for that we should know our system type. To check our system type, we go to this PC, right click, properties, and over here we can see my system type that it is a 64-bit operating system. So we'll install our software accordingly. I install Java from a website named Fileco. I'll type my software's name over here. So if you have a 64-bit operating system, you should download Java Development Kit. But if you have a 32-bit operating system, you should download Java Runtime Environment. JRE is already present in Java Development Kit. So I already have downloaded this file. It took around 15 minutes to download and 10 minutes to install. It was pretty easy. You only had to mention where you want the file to be. So after installing Java on your system, you have to download and install the Apktool. For that, you go to the website. I'll show you step by step how to do that. So we'll download the latest version. That is this will take around 2 to 3 minutes. I'll save this on my downloads folder. Alright, now we'll go to details, and over here downloads, we can see that to rename our file to apktool.gar, this is the extension for Java classes. So we'll go to downloads and rename our file to apktool.jar. One issue that might occur when downloading this file is that it might not download in this format. So for that, what I did is that I installed this program. It converted all the files in this format. Now we'll go back to the website. We'll go to the instruction guide. So installation for Apktool Windows. Download Windows wrapper script. Right click, save link as apktool.bat extension. So right click, save link as apktool.bat. Also I'm saving this on my downloads folder. Now we'll install another tool that we'll need, text2jar. From this we'll get our Java code of the app. So we'll download this. Okay, this is a WinRAR file, we'll have to extract it later on. Now I'll install Java compiler, a Java compiler named JDGUI. Download. Save. Now I'll download the APK file of the app we'll be doing reverse engineering on. So we'll go to Play Store to get the app. So we'll pick randomly. We'll take this app. We'll copy this link so we can use it to convert it into an APK file. I'll use APK Pure for this. There are many other platforms, we can use any. I'll paste this over here and download. Now I'll move all these files into a single folder. First I'll shorten this name. Okay, now I'll move all these files to a single folder. I'll take all these files and move it to a folder, new, and I'll name the folder APK. Okay, now we'll add a folder to the system variable. For that we'll go to this PC, properties, advanced system settings, environment variables, and over here we'll go to new. We'll write the variable name as Java home, and we'll have to write an address over here of where our file is. So for that we'll go to this PC, look on the C, program files, Java development kit, and we'll copy this address and we'll paste it over here. So I already have done this over here, as you can see, Java home. Now I'll go to path, enter the path over here. I've already also done this. The different thing is over here is that in the end we have to write /bin. We'll do the same over here, Java home, same address, same name, and same path /bin in the end. So after this you okay. Now we go back to our Apktool folder, which is over here. So now we'll check if our Java software is working and if Apktool software is working. So we'll use command line interface for that. I'll write Java over here. It's working. Alright, now we'll check if Apktool is working. First, let's change this. Doesn't accept this extension, so I'll remove this. Okay, now we'll check if Apktool is working or not. Apktool. So yeah, it's working perfectly. You can see over here Apktool 1.2.5.0, a tool for reverse engineering Android APK files. Now we'll decompile our APK file to get the XML files. So I'll write the command over here, apktool/d/eng.apk. Now it's decompiling. So till this is happening, we'll extract our text to jar. So we'll extract to same location. Alrighty. So our XML files are ready. We can go over here, resource, and you can see that all the drawables, the layouts, the values, all are over here of the application. Alright, but there's no Java code, so for that we'll be using text to jar. We'll copy our APK file to the text to jar folder. Okay, so after doing this, we'll again use command line interface to get the code. So I write here d2j text to jar dot bat space name of the APK file .apk. Alright, now we'll get our Java code. Once this start to process. Alright, so now we have our Java code over here, as you can see, but we cannot access this through here. We'll use our Java compiler for that. We'll go back, we'll open JDGUI. Now we'll go to file, open file, and this is a file over here, that one. Okay, so now here are all the Java code, all the classes. This is the code. Okay, com folder, Android, Facebook, Hawaii, Gualo, all the code, everything is here. The API, everything is over here. So this is how you use reverse engineering to get the source code of an application using APK tools in text2jar and in Java compiler named JDGUI. So I hope you understood. Thank you.